So this is the quick demonstration of the assignment that was given to me. So it was about course management, and here is the detail of the assignment. So if you load the front end part, it will look something like this. It will ask you for a username. There are, I think, 4 to 5 usernames that I have included by default. But if you want to, you can also modify that from the backend. I'll show you where you can do that from. So let's say I want to log in here. I'll just enter a name which is predefined. I think it's Sanaya. So I'll type in Sanaya, and I will click on this login button. So you will say this here says welcome Sanaya, and there is this dashboard button which the user can click on to view all the courses that he or she has enrolled in. And this screen contains the course listing. Screen contains, of course, the listing of all the courses that are available. And where I'm fetching this from, I'm fetching this from my backend server, which is a Node.js server, and for the database I'm using MongoDB. I'm using pagination here, as you can see. So there are a total of 18 courses that I have currently inserted in my database, and all those 18 courses are, actually 6 of them are being fetched here because I'm using pagination, and I have not implemented this pagination from the backend, but from the front end. I have included this pagination from the backend and not from the front end. Okay, so I can go to the next page to view the next 6 results, and I can go to the next page to view the last 6 results. Okay, so also, if you want to search for a course, you can search for it from here. You just have to type in the name of the course, any word from the title of the course, or you can just type in the instructor name. So I will type in Priya. So Priya Patel has one course, Advanced JavaScript. If I type Rajesh, I think Rajesh has one course. Yes, Introduction to Python, Rajesh Kumar. So the user can type in either the instructor name, a word from the instructor name, or a word from the course title to get the result. You have to type in a complete word because I'm using text indexes of MongoDB, okay, database. So you have to type a complete word to get a search result. I cannot just type in Raj and expect the result because I have not implemented that level of search. So you have to type in a complete word. If the name is Rajesh Kumar, you have to type Rajesh. If the course is Introduction to Python, you can not get the search result by just typing Python. You have to type Python, okay, so get the result. Or you can type just introduction to get all the courses which the title of which contain the introduction, or either the instructor name contains the word introduction. So I think we are done with the course listing page. Now let's talk about the course details page. So to view the details of any course, you just have to click on the details button. I'm clicking on the details button. You will be redirected to the course details page of the related course. Here you will see the title of the course, the instructor's name, the description of the course, the prerequisites if there are any, and all the meta information related to the course, that what is the status of it, either it is closed or in progress, or it is in or it is closed. Okay, schedule, duration, location, all things are there. And syllabus of the course is expandable. Okay, so you can expand the syllabus of the course to view the syllabus. And so this is it about the course details page. You can click on any courses details. You can click to view any courses details. Okay, so that was all about course details page. Talking about the dashboard of the student. So dashboard of the student contains all the courses the user is currently enrolled in. Currently Shania has been enrolled in 3 courses: Introduction to JavaScript, Python, and Advanced JavaScript. Okay, and how a user can enroll in a course? They can be enrolled in a course by just clicking the enroll button of the course. Just clicking on, let's say I want to enroll in this Git and GitHub course. I'll just click on this enroll button, and if I go to dashboard, you will see the Git and GitHub will be there in my enroll section. So that dashboard page also I'm including the progress bar. And how is this progress bar being calculated? It is being calculated by calculating the number of days. Okay, and how many days are left. Based on that, the percentage is being calculated. From today, how many days are left. So if days are left 34, then the percentage will be calculated based on that. Okay, and there is mark as completed button. So if I click on mark as completed, you will see, let's say I want to mark introduction to Git and GitHub as completed. I'll just click on this mark as completed button, and even if I reload this, Shania, yeah, so the user is Shania. If I log in as Shania again and I'll go to dashboard, you will see the Git and GitHub is completed. The progress is 100%. And of course I have not implemented this. I think if the progress is 100%, I don't have to show this, but that's a minor thing, I think. So that is all about the dashboard section. And let's see one more thing, which was a bonus task. That was a real-time communication between APIs, so that if more users are connected to connected through logged on to the website, then a real-time communication is established. And if a user likes one course, then the change is to be reflected in all the users currently logged on to the website. So for example, if I copy this URL and okay, let's wait. Why can't I move this? Okay, so if I type in Alemeno and I log in, you will see currently I'm on course listing page. Both the users are on course listing page. So let's say this user likes this advanced JavaScript course, and you will see, you just notice this like count here, this advanced JavaScript on the left hand side and this advanced JavaScript on the right hand side. If I click, if this user likes this course, you will see the like count will increase for this user too. So if I click on like, you will see 10, 11, 12, 13, you will see, of course. And if this user dislikes this, it will also be reflected there, either likes this or dislikes this. All the logged on users will see the changes being reflected. Okay, so if I load a third user by let's say, I think Tasif Iqbal is also one user. So if I say Tasif Iqbal, I'm typing with one hand only because I'm holding a phone to record the voice, so that's why it's so slow. So let's say I search for the JavaScript now. I'm going to like this course by searching for it first. So this course is here, 20. You can see the like count is 20 here. Now let's say this user likes this advanced JavaScript course. Then by default, what should happen is like count should increase here and like count should increase here too. So if I click on like, you will see like count is being increased in all three places. So all the logged on users that are currently logged onto the website will see this like count being increased or decreased based on users interacting with the course. Okay, this is a dummy implementation. And how am I doing this? I'm using Socket.io. I know Socket.io is not scalable. I don't know much about Socket.io, but I know enough, okay, to do this small application I can do with Socket.io. Okay, so I'm using Socket.io to implement this. Now let's see the assignment and let's check if everything has been implemented or not. So the requirement was that I have to create a course listing page which should be fetch a data from a backend. So yeah, I'm fetching the data from my Node.js server, and for the database I'm using MongoDB. Okay, the course is being displayed in a scrollable list, yes, with basic information. Searching is implemented, yes, and the course name and instructor, based on course name and instructor, the searching functionality is implemented, yes. And you should be click on a course to view its details, yes. Course detail screen should contain the course name, instruction name, description, enrollment status, course duration, schedule, location, predicted visits, and syllabus. These all things are included in the course details page. Student dashboard. The student dashboard should, contain the information related to the courses that they are enrolled in, and it does contain those informations. And it should display the course name, the instructor name, the thumbnail, due date, and a progress bar. And also a feature was implemented, the mark as completed feature. As you can see here, the mark as completed feature, by clicking on which user can mark a certain course as completed. So this user all the courses as completed. This user has marked all the courses as completed. Okay, so, and for the state management I'm using the Redux. Okay, about state management in React I'm using Redux for that. So I've also included this bonus task I just showed you. I have implemented this using Socket.io, and all the code for the backend and the front end are available in the repository. And so that is it. That was a small demonstration of this project, and I hope that I got all these things right. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you.